Goes a load of through hikers. We're at Swatara Gap, or near Swatara Gap in the Swatara State Park. And so we're just going to hike to the gap, which is a very short distance away. Very grassy along this road. It's a very short hike. I think it's about 1.4 miles one way. The trail is a little rockier here. It's almost like we're walking in a creek bed. There was some water back up there, and so now they've got muddy feet. Alright, that's where we're going. I guess this probably used to be a road or something. I don't know. Whoops, stepped in the mud. It's been a little muddy. But I think this is Route 72, which we just drove up. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Pretty dangerous road. So it's 2.3 miles to Lickdale. That's where we got off of 81, and that's where all the hikers are heading to eat, I guess. Oh, here are the inner tubers.
Oh, that's sick.
The section hikers we saw so there were kayakers. I guess those are the kayakers. Very cool. Now you can hear 81 up there. We'll go check that out in a minute. Boy, it would feel good to be in that water right now. It's about 88 degrees out. It's sort of moderately humid. Let's go check out the other side. There's a parking area over here. But we're gonna have to figure out how to get here. It's the old canal. Must have been a lock. Wow. Came down the road. That's how you get to that parking area by the bridge. And there's a couple of double blazes, and the AT deviates from the road. It goes up under the bridges. So this is directly under the southbound lane of Interstate 81, and there's the northbound lane of Interstate 81, where we will be in just a little while. We will drive over there. This is something I haven't seen anybody record, maybe because it's not very interesting. Very cool. Whoa! I'm gonna fall. Do you think we came all the way from up there, guy?
Yeah.
Watch the rebar.
Yeah, we did.
Some benches right there. And then it's like the AT enters the woods and heads on up the mountain. Very cool. But we're gonna go back to the car. It's been a neat mile and a half. We've almost walked 2 miles. It's been about, I guess, 1.6 to get to here. Heading back up. That was really cool. I'm glad we did that. Good short hike to break up our drive, and a cool thing to see. We're back. All right, we made it. Probably almost 4 miles, something like that.